Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix you can't make this change because the selection is locked in Microsoft Word. So first just go to your files and then click on this PC. Okay, and then click on your storage and then go to the program files. Then scroll down and then click on the Microsoft Office and then the Office 16. Okay, so just right click this one and then run as administrator. So you will have to do this 3 times. Okay, so just click on it again, then click on run as administrator and then click on yes, and then click on it again and click on run as administrator. Then right after that, you will then just have to close this one and then restart your PC. Okay, so after restarting your PC, just go to your Microsoft Word again and the error will be gone. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye!